This is just a very quick video to say I'm replacing this regulator, this gas regulator on an LPG tank, because it stinks. It's about 3 years old, and yeah, these things fail a lot. I can't find a good quality one, so I'm working with the one I've got. I bought a new one which is basically identical. If it fails again in the next year or so, I will actually try and buy a better quality one. But anyway, let's change it. First of all, let's make sure that the gas is off. It's very, very easy. You have to undo this nut. This is this nut is left-hand thread. So rather than pushing it towards me, pushing it away from me, I pull it towards me. Bit of a spurt there. You see that? I'm actually turning this the wrong way, away from me. Okay, now how do I know it's left-hand thread? Because on a fastening nut, focus, you see it has these slots in the actual sides of the nut. These little marks here, you see that? These little marks, these signify it's a left-hand thread. And you can actually see the thread just looks wrong because it's going the wrong way. So yeah, so rather than turning it this way to tighten, you have to turn it this way to tighten. So anyway, now I've done that, what does I need to do? That's loose. I just need to unscrew this from this pipe. Unfortunately, I need two hands to do that, so give me a second. Right, I've taken the old one off. Honestly, I will open one. I should open this up at some point this week just to see how it works inside. It's essentially just a one-way valve to stop flames travelling back into the tank. Anyway, so what I need to do is clean this connection up here. Now, I used to use the gas Teflon tape, but to be honest, I've never had much luck with it. For the gas tanks, for water it's not a problem. But for gas, it always seems to leak. So instead, I'm going to use this shellac sealant. You see that? Where's the camera? This sort of, it's basically like a thick treacle sealant for gases. And this should work better. I've had luck with this in the past. So let me clean this joint up a bit, slap some of the shit on it, and we'll put the new one back on. Just to let you focus, just to let you see, this stuff is just like thick, it's like a thick treacly shite. If the light was better, I do apologise. Focus. I'm right under a big tree, so the light's not very good. So I just put a lot of it, a nice big thick coating all around the thread. Now it does dry, it does dry kind of like a thick sealant. So you can't take all day with it. So that should do it. Now let me screw that. This is just a normal thread, by the way. This thing's just a normal thread. So let me screw the new regulator on, and we'll go from there. Right, that's screwed in. This is as vertical as I can get it. So we'll just tighten this up, and remember it screws the opposite way. Now this is putting two machine surfaces toward each other, so it doesn't need to be super tight. Oh, I've got that shit on my finger. God damn, that stuff is almost impossible to get off the skin. So let's tighten that up. Just needs nipping up. That's it. That should do it. Job should be good. Not happy with this pipe though. This is 3/8 pipe. Might replace that. It's only a soldered joint. It's very, very easy to do. Okay. What we'll do is we'll turn the gas back on and we'll check for some smells. Alright, done the smell test. It all seems fine. So hopefully consider that a good one. Still not happy with this though because it looks kind of stressed. But I'll leave that for another day. It doesn't need to be done right this second. Okay, there you go. New regulator installed, works a treat. Shellac. This shit. I hope that is of some use to somebody. Alright, thanks guys, bye for now.